Welcome to Auto Drive Gallery. Talk about the passport and it might come, in the end. The most recent gathering to absolute the old Honda's name is Automotive News, which reports that it will show up on another hybrid SUV focused at the medium size to push advertise. The outlet refers to an unknown source and says that it will probably be pilot-based and appear at the LA Car Exhibition in time for a 2019 discharge. We have no motivation to question that it will be founded on the Pilot, since its stage could give bunches of room and make it simple to offer a V6 motor. This isn't the first occasion when we've found out about another medium-size hybrid from Honda. A past report from WardsAuto portrayed a comparative estimated vehicle for a fall on cover. Thinking about the pattern in the car world to name littler vehicles after the bigger kin and attaching game, it appeared like Pilot Sport would have been a more probable name. In any case, Car and Driver found for a short time back that Honda petitioned for a passport trademark once more. Joined with the Automotive News report, it appears to be very likely there's a fair-size Honda hybrid in transit, and that its name will to be sure be Passport. We connected with a Honda agent who didn't give remark. There's a decent business case for a vehicle like this theoretical Passport, as well. Honda has a subcompact rival in the HR-V, a normal conservative with the CR-V, and a full estimate 3 push with the Pilot. That leaves space between the CR-V and the Pilot. The 2-push average size class is moderately uncrowded also, made generally out of the Ford Edge, Nissan Murano, and Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Indeed, even the name works pleasantly with the current Honda hybrids. It fits the movement subject of Pilot, and begins with a P. It likewise contrasts from the littler HR-V and CR-V, which have their own particular naming plan. This would help make some qualification between estimate gatherings. The main odd part would utilize a name that was in the past related with a rebadged Isuzu Rodeo, as observed previously. In any case, chances are, individuals don't recollect that SUV too well, or essentially won't give it a second thought.